Startly is enterprise-level IT management software built to be simple from day one. Everything you need is intuitive, connected, and ready to use so your team can focus on work that actually moves the business forward. Tame the chaos of IT service requests and incidents from day one. Predefined categories and impact levels automatically classify tickets. Smart routing gives you faster reassignment and clearer accountability, while escalation workflows and SLA alerts help to avoid breaches. Startly will help your team diagnose and resolve tickets faster. Our ticketing software is fully integrated with asset management, change management, and knowledge management. Built-in standardized workflows enable even the newest hire the ability to organize and manage tickets efficiently. Overlooking asset management can derail budgets, compliance, and productivity. Not with Startly. Our asset management module keeps every element under your control. Enjoy full visibility throughout each asset's lifecycle, from procurement to retirement. Reduce loss and keep everyone accountable for the assets they've been assigned. Asset management is fully integrated with ticketing, so you can see which asset is causing recurring problems. IT directors' jobs depend on our ability to see patterns and discrepancies, predict outcomes, and spot rogue activities. Startly's performance analytics give you the ability to see what's happening across your organization in real time so that your team can step in to resolve crisis fast. You choose what to see and measure in Startly's easy-to-read dashboards. Customize your dashboard or use our pre-configured widgets. Reports show all critical operations across your IT ecosystem, ticketing, and SLAs, progress on key projects, resource utilization, and more. You're operating with a lean team and a tight budget. You're working with what you've got because it takes time and money to switch. Extra training just isn't in the budget. Startly is the fully integrated IT management software worth switching to. Every module you need is already included. No training, no developer required. We designed Startly to save you time, enable actionable insights, reduce risk, and streamline operations, all without the cost or complexity of big-name enterprise tools. You can start creating tickets as soon as you sign up for Startly. If you have data to migrate, you and your team can be up and running on Startly within 10 days. The best time to switch to Startly was last year. The next best time to switch to Startly is today. Schedule a discovery call or start your free trial today.